Hello and welcome to the new style Edexcel GCSEs. These are the ones that go from grades 9 through to grade 1. This is the second paper in the higher tier. It's entitled 1MA1/2H. It is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators, and we're picking up in question 6. Triangles ABD and BCD are right-angled triangles. Work out the value of x. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, so we've got our triangle here. We're given this length and we're given the hypotenuse, and we're not given this length, but this length shares a common length with the triangle on the bottom, and there's the x that we're looking to solve. Okay, so because these two triangles share this length, that means this length BD is going to be the same for both triangles. So if we can find this length on the top triangle, we can then use that length on the bottom triangle to find x. And the way to do that, we've got right angled triangles. We're given 2 out of 3 sides, so all we need is Pythagoras' theorem. And Pythagoras' theorem says that if A and B are the 2 shorter legs of the triangle, then A squared plus B squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared. Okay, so 5 squared plus b squared is equal to 10 squared. And that means b squared is equal to 10 squared minus 5 squared. So b squared is equal to 100, 10 times 10 is 100, minus 5, 5 times 5 is 25. So b squared is equal to 75. So this length here is equal to the square root of 75. I'm not going to try and solve the square root of 75 because I'm going to have to square it again anyway to do Pythagoras' theorem to get x. So the square root of 75 squared is just 75. So 75 plus, and then 4 squared is 16, is equal to x squared. That's the same Pythagoras' theorem we've just looked at. Okay, so adding these, we've got 75 plus 16, so that's 85 plus 6, which is 90 plus 1, which is 91, is equal to x squared. So the exact answer for x is equal to the square root of 91. But we want to give an approximate answer correct to 2 decimal places, so for that we are going to need a calculator. X is equal to, we'll pull up our calculator, 91, and I use the inverse and squared button to get the square root. You might need to use a different way of doing it on your calculator, which is why it's so important to know your calculator before you go into your exam. So we're giving this answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, so this is 9.54 correct to 2 decimal places. So we've got the first decimal place is the 5, the second decimal place is the 3, but the number immediately after the 3 is a 9, so that 3 is going to round up, and that is going to become a 4. So this is 9.54. centimeters. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.